This is question 8. We're given dy by dx is equal to minus x cubed plus 4x minus 5 all over 2x cubed, where x can't be equal to 0. Given that y is equal to 7 and x is equal to 1, find y in terms of x, given each term in its simplest form. The question carries 6 marks. We can state that y will be equal to the integral of minus x cubed plus 4x minus 5 over 2x cubed. To begin with though, I want to split this fraction up. So what I'm going to do is simply write that dy by dx is equal to minus x cubed, then we're going to have plus 4x, which I can write over 2x cubed, and then I'm going to have minus 5 over 2x cubed. So we can write now that y will be equal to the integral of minus x cubed. If I simplify here, I'm going to have now 2, and then I'm going to have x over x cubed, which is going to give me now plus 2 over x squared, or 2x to the power of minus 2. If I consider now, I'm going to have minus 5 over 2, and I'll have x to the power of minus 3. So we're integrating with respect to x. So going ahead and integrating, we raise by a power and divide by the new power. So we'll have minus x to the power of 4 divided by 4, plus 2x to the power of minus 1 divided by minus 1, minus 5 over 2 x to the power of minus 2 divided by minus 2, plus now a constant of integration. So if we go ahead and tidy this up, we've got y is equal to minus 1/4 x to the power of 4. We're going to have now minus 2x to the minus 1, which when I come to evaluate might be easier to write as 2 over x. That's entirely up to you on how you want to write this. And then if we look at this one, we've got the two negatives, so we're going to have plus 5 over 4, and then we'll have x to the minus 2, which we can write as 5 over 4x squared plus our constant of integration. It's entirely up to you on how you want to do this. I prefer to write it like so, as when we come to evaluate, it will be a lot easier than considering negative powers. So entirely up to you on how you want to write this. So let's now look when y is equal to 7, x is equal to 1. That will allow us to find the value of c. So subbing these in, we can say 7 will be equal to minus 1/4 of 1, minus 2 over 1. Remember, 1 to any power is just going to give us 1, and then we're going to have now plus 5 over 4 lots of 1 plus c. This will allow us to solve for c, so we've got 7 will be equal to minus 1/4 minus 2 plus now 5/4 plus c. So 5/4 minus 1/4 is 1, minus 2, that's going to give us minus 1, so we can say 7 is equal to minus 1 plus c, and that gives us now that c is equal to 8. So all we need to do is just simply write this back, and we can say that y is equal to, and taking this line just here, we can write this in many different ways. So I'm going to write this as minus 1/4 x to the 4th minus 2 over x plus 5 over 4x squared plus 8. Again, you could write this now as minus 1/4 x to the 4th minus 2x to the minus 1 plus 5 over 4 x to the minus 2 plus 8. It's entirely up to you. You will be awarded for 6 marks as long as you have one of these answers at the end.